Do you think that this is going to be uncontested?
First of all, I would like to congratulate Mr. James Sangma for filing his nomination, and would like to thank all the partners of the MDA for having unanimously and with the consensus supported the candidature of Mr. James Sangma. And today, most of the partners, their representatives were present in the nomination filing. Number two, regarding the other candidates, we are not very sure. We will just have to wait for the next few hours, and the picture will be clear. So, whatever the case may be, we are confident that even if there is a candidature, that the MDA has the necessary strength to ensure that our candidate wins in this project.
Sir, Mr.
For us, when it comes to issues, there are multiple issues that we feel that the Member of Parliament should bring up, and I'm sure that Mr. James Sangma will be very successfully be able to bring up those issues. Issues will range from everything which are socially, politically important to our people and our state, and also issues regarding different streams, government programs, and also very actively participate in different legislation and debates in the Parliament. All of these will be very important responsibilities that the Honourable MP will have. At the same time, we also expect that the Honourable MP will act as a bridge between the state government and the central government, where different issues, whatever the state has to take up at different ministry level, I'm sure the Honourable MP will take up the responsibility of taking up those issues at the central level.
Sir, recently you have submitted a memorandum.
All of these issues are very, very important to us, and that's why whenever there is an opportunity, we as a government and also as a party, we have ensured that we take up these matters very aggressively. And definitely being the Member of Parliament representing the MDA and the state of Meghalaya, the Honourable MP will play a critical role in raising all the issues that we have taken up. And whether it's the 8th schedule, whether it's the 6th schedule, whether it is the FCRA amendment and the issue of illegal immigration and matters like the ILP and the MRSSA, the Honourable MP will play a very critical role in pushing our concerns at the Parliament and at the Government of India.
The outgoing MP is not here. The outgoing MP is not here. Rajya. Yes. Are there any differences in the party, you think?
There are no differences, nothing like that. Everybody is has their programs. As you are aware, this nomination was supposed to be on 5th, and then the program changed again. So in fact, some of the other MDA members who were supposed to be here could not make it because they already had fixed up programs for today. At the same time, there is a incident. I mean, as you know, one of our WCM's family lost a very close relative. So therefore, that funeral program also is on. So a lot of members are there. So it's really a situation because of which a lot of individuals were supposed to be accommodated.
Can you also tell us assembly elections are 2 years away? So does it mean that he won't come back to state politics?
The fact that he is going to represent our state in the Rajya Sabha, it's a 6-year term. So it's very clear that he will be representing the state for 6 years.
Sir, also since we got this, what do you think about this?
I really have no real comments on the political party as such, because party requires an organization. Party requires a certain base and certain constitutional aspects. So I think as and when the party builds up into an organization, only then we'll be able to comment. Right now, yes, there is a certain wave, and that happens in today's world. Social media is very powerful, and so it is very possible to connect to different issues and different programs or different stands that different individuals may take. But a political party is beyond, just a movement that is to be there. The movement is the beginning. Therefore, there's a long way to go. So we'll have to wait and watch and see how things happen, how they shape up. As I said, running a political organization is not so simple. There are a lot of challenges, and I think the consistency and the stability and how you are able to run the party in the long run is really what matters. So initial hype can always be there, which is again it depends on the issues that are there. But I think what is important is the consistency and the long-term stability of the organization. So let's see how it goes, and we'll be also watching. And what is important for us is that we've always maintained that we should build up and continue to organize our party and our organization, and that's what really matters.
Sir,